Hello, and thanks for coming over to the Self Storage Hawaii unConference. Let me show you what's new this year. First of all, this is where we're doing the unConference at the amazing Waikoloa Beach Marriott Resort and Spa. What a lovely place. There's wonderful pools right down here. Our meeting space is on the other side of the lobby over in this area. Out here, we have a lovely, beautiful beach where the sailboat and the scuba boat come pick us up. Beautiful swimming here, just an amazing place. Here are the old fish ponds that have been restored. This is where the ancient Hawaiians used to grow their fish. The mountains, the shore, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Anyway, if you go to register, first, you should go find one of our sponsors and ask them for a discount code. On this page, you have our major sponsors, and they will be able to give you a discount code that'll save you $100 off of full registration. Then come down here, and you can select full registration. This is the early bird price. This will not last. I can guarantee you that. If you're needing an additional ticket for guests for the Tuesday evening reception, you can go here. And then if you're a sponsor, you can also purchase your sponsorships right here online as well. Make it easy for yourself. Once you've done your registration, go down and use this link to book your rooms. Fantastic rates. The room block will sell out, so get that done. If you reserve your rooms by March 31st, 2022, you will get a $25 gift certificate to use at the spa on site. Heck of a deal. So get the rooms booked. The rooms will sell out. Now, if you go to agenda, you can see what we're going to be doing this year and have a little bit of an idea about everything that's going to go on. We'll go out on a snorkel cruise. Carol Mixon will be glad to take you on a tour of some sites she developed on the Big Island. There's a luau both Monday and Wednesday. We'll have a sunset cruises available for you. Oh, it'll be amazing. So most people will get there by Sunday. On Monday, we'll do some pre-conference activities, more pre-conference activities Tuesday. And then Tuesday, we'll have our welcome reception in a beautiful spot to be able to see an amazing sunset. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to do morning and afternoon sessions and read through here to read about how we're tweaking the program to make it even more unconferencey. It's going to be great. We'll have plenty of time for meals together with other attendees and friends. We're doing an additional reception on tonight. It'll be fantastic. If you want to get to know some of the people that are going to present and be our experts in residence, come over here to this page and look around a little bit. Brian Massey is going to join us again. If you've spent time with him, you know the experience he's had in helping brands become great. Conversion science is just incredible. He's got so many great insights to share that'll help your business. You need to come spend time with him. Carol Mixon is going to be with us again. And nobody in the storage industry has done more things than Carol. She is one of the warmest and brightest people in the industry, and you need to spend some time with her. Even if you've spent time with her before, you know every time you spend 5 minutes with her, your business is going to change. So come see her. We're inviting Dan Morisaku back again this year to talk about what Ichigo and Storage Plus have been doing to become sustainable organizations. We'll again have our special guest, Danny Akaka Jr. with us, talking about the wonderful people and places of Hawaii, and more to come. If you want to look and see what we did last year, go to Presentations 2021, and you'll get to see some of the presentations that happened last year. Some amazing stuff, wonderful stuff. Most people would tell you that the whole reason this unconference works is just because of the people and the place. So join us. It's going to be October 17th to 21, 2022 on the Big Island of Hawaii. Click over to register and get all registered, and it'll be a wonderful time. We look forward to seeing you, and aloha.